Whoa, that was the step.
If you love your hip camps like we do, you've probably got this one on your favourites list.
Broken step. I'll get back to that tree next one.
What, facing
Downwards.
to drive round and
Yeah.
the camera here really doesn't do it any justice. This was quite steep. We've towed for a good number of years, but it's been camper trailers, so this was the first real excursion off-road with the hybrid.
Oh. Oh, actually.
Heidi. Oh. If you've not guessed it already, we're at Binghi Station. The shame of this one is we're only here for one night. We're on our way back up from Canberra. Spent New Year's in Canberra, so this is a bit of a pass through, and it's been on my favourites list for a long time, so I couldn't pass up the opportunity, even for just one night. But what a stunning location. Just have a go at this.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me.
Now, the thing about Binghi Station is risk and reward. And the reason I say that is some of the tracks are pretty extreme. Not too technical, but if you're towing, they'll certainly put your van on the wrong camber and give you a bit of a fright. I'm not sure the camera does this justice, but that's the entrance to the gorge. And that is pretty typical of the tracks in and out of here. And a little bit later in the video, we'll show you the way out. But yeah, it's I didn't drop my tyre pressures. I kept them on road pressures, and benefit of hindsight, probably should have dropped them, which I have done now for the way out. Just 20s on the front, 25s on the back. We are towing a hybrid Austrac Tsunami X13. Wasn't too bad. I did see twin axles come in yesterday, so look, it is possible. Don't let that put you off, but just be mindful, it does come with a bit of a risk. But risk is reward, and Binghi Station is absolutely sensational, guys. It will blow your mind.
so glad my kids were older when they came.
Have a go at this when you park your van on a slope.
Leave me alone.
You on your step, love?
I'm washing. Hey, I'm washing up.
At this point, I was trying to keep left to avoid the rut on the right hand side. But as I came around the corner, I just caught the step on a rock.
Whoa. That was the step. Keep going.